Okay, Robert here with the OCB rescue, and this is one, without a doubt, the most intense rescue ever. So we've already got 5 frames full of relocated comb. This thing is completely full, this container, and they're just bearding everywhere. I mean, they're probably bearding all over my head, I'm guessing. So, yeah. We still got a little ways to go. I mean, they're inside of this thing, like, in there. Everywhere, they're everywhere. But there's also a lot of honey. There's a pool of honey on the ground. It's amazing. It's the most amazing thing ever. I'm so happy. Look at this. It's just completely covered in honey. It's incredible. I don't even know. I'm at a loss for words. Anyways, I'll keep working. Right there. Let's see how that look. Maybe a little further back. Yeah. You okay, Christian?
God damn it, Robert.
You okay?
I think so. I can already feel that my nose is starting to swell.
Yeah, it's kind of a sensitive area to get stung.
Yeah.
Which is,
but,
I think you'll be okay though.
Yeah. I have an empty stomach, so the Benadryl should get in my system right away.
Yeah.
I also applied some topically to my nose.
Uh-huh. Does that work that way?
Well, some Benadryl does. I don't know if this one is intended only for oral use or not.
I think it's oral, but maybe it'll work. I hope it does. Man, I gotta be really careful because...
How swollen is my nose?
I mean, it looks like a white person nose. I can't tell any difference.
It's a little swollen though?
Not really.
Alright.
I can't tell a difference.
Alright, I'm gonna step back again and put a little more on it.
Yeah, no, take your time. I'm doing fine over here. This is like ecstasy, Christian.
I think when I leaned into the hive to get the video,
yeah,
I pressed my nose against the screen.
Yep, that's how they got you. The bees. Oh fuck, this is way too big. That's how they get you. dozen more to go. Yeah. Are you okay?
I don't know.
How do you... You'll be fine. It's just one sting.
My tongue is numb.
You took Benadryl. The Benadryl will save you.